All right, guys, I am checking out this awesome open house, and there's a realtor that I want you to meet that knows a little bit more about it than I do. So let's turn to her and see what she has to say about this property.
Hey there, everyone. My name is Haley Miller. I'm a realtor with Erie Davis & Lynn, and we're currently at 2376 Covington Creek Circle East off of San Pablo Rd. This beautiful pool home was built in 1988. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home here. It is 2,306 square foot. Lots of generous space throughout the home, very open concept. One great feature about this home is you can see the pool from every room, the living room, kitchen, and bedrooms as well. Some recent repairs that were done to the home was the roof was just replaced in 2020. The hot water heater was done this year, and the house has been replumbed and it's ready for its new owners.
All right, guys, we're gonna say goodbye to Haley and thank her so much for showing us this beautiful house. Any last words, Haley?
Thank you for coming and doing a walkthrough and taking a tour with me.
Awesome. Bye, guys.
Bye.